Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at triangle sum worksheet. Or should I say triangle angle sum worksheet. It's kind of a tongue twister for me. So the first thing you're going to do is at the top, you're going to zoom in and write your name and my name. And then the date. Right now I'm recording this on the 1st of November. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of these together. The first one we're going to do is number 1. So the triangle angle theorem, sum theorem, is that all the angles inside a triangle equal 180. Our goal is to figure out what E equals. So something we may have to do is I like to go scroll to the bottom and add a page down here if I need more room. I like to use the grid one, but you're welcome to use the blank one or whatever one you like. So the first one here, I'm going to set all these angles equal to 180. So I have 180 equals 38 plus 26 plus 6e plus 2. So that's every single angle added to be 180. I have 38, I have 26, and I have 6e plus 2. The next step I'm gonna do is add everything that is similar. So that means I'm adding all my constants, my 38, my 26, and my 2 together. I can't add the 6 and the 6e because it has a variable attached to it. So 38 plus 2 is 40. 40 plus 26 is 66. And then my 6e. Okay, my next step is to get rid of anything that doesn't have a variable. So that would mean getting rid of this 66. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So this cancels out. I'm left with 6e. I have to borrow there. That's a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1. So 6e equals 114. Next, I have to divide because right now I'm doing 6 times e, and the opposite of multiplication is division. 6 goes into 11 once, with 5 left over. 54, it goes in 9 times. So e equals 19. Now it may ask us, what is the angle of 6e plus 2? Well, to solve that, we would just do 6 times 19, because that's what e equals, plus 2. And there we go. Our answer is 116. Okay, the next one we're going to do together is number 2. Again, we're going to set our numbers equal to 180. We have 54, 69, and 6f plus 3. My first step, like usual, is to add my numbers. So this means I add 54 plus 69 plus 3. Let's see, so 3 plus 9 is 2, plus 4 is 6. Carry the 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then I just bring down the 6f. Again, I cannot add the 6 because it is being multiplied by the f. Next step is getting rid of things that don't have variables. So that means getting rid of this 126. And the opposite of 126 is negative 126. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Let's see, I have to borrow. That's 4. That's 5. Okay. Now I'm left with 54 equals 6 times f. The opposite of multiplication is division, which means f equals 9. And if they ask, what does this angle equal? All you simply do is just plug in f, our value for f, into the problem. And there you go, 57 degrees. And then a way you can check is by adding these all up and seeing if it equals 180 to make sure you have the right answer. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is number 8. Again, first thing I'm going to do is set everything equal to 180. Okay, next up is adding everything again, combining like terms. So that means adding 118 plus 30 plus 2. Well, 2 plus 118 is 120. 120 plus 30 is 150. Okay, next I get rid of anything that isn't with a variable, so that means getting rid of the 150. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. So that equals 30. I have to divide the 5 on both sides to figure out that b equals 6. And if I were to plug b in, this equals 32 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to do one that's a little more simpler. Number 7. So I still do the same thing. I still equal the angles. I add them all up to equal 180. Then I combine my like terms. Let's see, 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1, okay. I need to move the 132 over by subtracting it, leaving me with a on this side. Let's see, I need to borrow. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. So a equals 48 degrees. And I should actually be putting degrees on every single answer. And that's all you have to do. Just set all the angles to 180 degrees, combine the like terms, get rid of anything that isn't in the variable, that isn't multiplied by a variable, then if need be, divide by the number that's multiplied by the variable. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video has helped, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!